Hello Udemy, I'm Shahzad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome to lecture number 6. Today's we are going to give you some concepts related with comments and the case sensitive. Okay, in the previous lectures you learned how can you open your project and how can you create your PHP file using PHP Storm. Okay, if you don't have a PHP Storm, don't worry, go to the jetbrains.com and download the 13 days free trial. So they are providing you the 13 days free trial. If you are a student or you are a teacher, just provide them the identity related with your organizations or your university, so they will provide you the free license for you. Okay, so I have downloaded the PHP Storm and I have installed. I hope you have downloaded and you have installed your PHP Storm inside your local machine. So PHP Storm is not required in this course, but I am using PHP Storm because I am working on PHP Storm since 2 to 3 years, and I have already 3 to 4 year experience using Sublime, and I have 1 to 2 year experience using Notepad++. Okay, so it's totally depend upon you which IDE you are going to choose or you have chosen. So in this lecture I am so you have written the echo like this. Okay, working fine. Go to your page, refresh the page, you can see okay, this is the index.php file. Make sure, so that's why I'm going to execute the php folder. Okay, working, it's saying working. So what happens if I write it the echo in capital letters? So all letters are capitals. Refresh the page, it's still working. So using PHP, if you are writing like this, if or else, I am saying if for suppose 1, then echo working, else I'm saying not working. You have to remove the echo also. So now you can see it's working fine. So you can write, you can create your functions, or you can write your conditions in capital letter. But rule number 1, you have to, so you can declare your variables like this. So this is your variable. First of all, don't worry, we are going to create cover the variables in our later lectures, but now this is variable 1. I'm saying store the working inside the 1, and I'm saying this is also 1. So these are the different thing. So while creating the variables, you have to consider that either you are using capital letters or you are using small letters. So how can you comment a line? You can comment a single line like this, or you can comment multiple line like this. So you have commented the multiple lines, or you can also comment the multiple line this, and now write the echo here. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page. Now it's saying working. So in this way you can create the variables comments. So I hope you are enjoying this series. So thank you for watching.